Here it is asked 0 is what number? A natural number, either negative or positive, neither even nor odd, a non-negative integer. So we should think natural numbers begin with 1, so 0 is not a natural number. Either negative or positive is given, so it's wrong, because 0 is neither positive nor negative. Neither even nor odd is given. Actually, 0 is even whole number. So 3 is also not. A non-negative integer is correct because it is non-negative, which is not negative integer. 0 is integer, but it's not negative, neither negative nor positive. So fourth one is correct. Among the following, a correct statement is asked. So n is here, R is subset to n, subset to W is wrong because natural numbers all will lie in whole numbers all will lie in integers, and integers all will lie in rational. Second one is correct because natural numbers is a subset to the whole numbers is subset to integers is subset to rational numbers. Remaining all are wrong. Natural all lie in whole, but rational numbers will not lie in integers will lie in rational numbers. So all are wrong, only second one is correct. If n belongs to capital N, then the number 4 to the power n can end with, here n is natural number, so we can take 4 power 1, 4 power 2, 4 power 3 like that. So 4 power 1 will end with 4, 4 power 2 will end with 6 because 4 power 2 is 16, 4 power 3 is 64, so it will end with 4, either 4 or 6. So either 1 or 3, 4 is correct. I will explain in detail. 4 power 1, 4 power 2 is 4 into 4, 16, so it is ending with 6. First 4 power 1 is ending with 4. 4 power 3 means 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. It is ending with 4. 4 power 4 if I take also, 64 into 4 what happens? It will end with 6 anyhow. It is 256, but it ends with 6. Same way 4 power 5, imagine. Now the 6 into 4 I will be doing. 6 4 is 24. So it will definitely end with 4. Any number in the series, 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5. These all will lie between what? Definitely they lie between 0 and 1 because they all are proper fractions. 5 by 5 means it used to be 1. 0 by means it used to be 0. Here 1 by 2 means 0.5, you know. So all will lie. 3 by 4 also 0.75. So 0 and 1 is correct. The number root 3 plus root 2 is not a whole number he has given, an irrational number, a real number, a terminating decimal. So it is not a whole number is correct. It is an irrational number only, we know. It's a real number also, a terminating decimal. No, it is not terminating decimal. Here we can consider two answers because it is irrational number actually. So it will become quite naturally a real number also. It's not is given. So it's not a whole number. It's not a terminating decimal. It is non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. It is irrational. So both can be considered, 1 and 4. Here two rational numbers between 1 by 2 and 1 by 3 is asked. Generally there are two methods. So not only two methods, 3-4 methods we have. we can consider anyway, but here how he has given the options is necessary. Here when we see 2 can become 12 and 3 also can become 12. Same denominator if they make, then we can compare. Here not only 12, we can make 2 and 3 as 24 also. Let me make 12 and I will show. First of all, 1 by 2 can be written as 2 into 6. So 1 into 6. 6 by 12 it may become, and 1 by 3 will become 3 into 4. So 1 into 4, 4 by 12. In between these two, 5 by 12 will be there. We can tell that, because in between 4 and 6 we have 5. But we have one more here. Not only 5 by 12, we have by 24. So let me try for 24 then. 1 by 2 can be written as 2 into 12 in order to make it 24 as the denominator. So I will be writing 12 by 24. Then 1 by 3, how will it be written? 3 into 8. So that I will be getting 24. 1 into 8, 8 by 24. In between these two, 8 by 24 and 12 by 24, we have 9 by 24, 10 by 24, 11 by 24. As the, they are in between 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. So in the given options, we have 5 by 12 as well as 11 by 12. So I can just finalize this instead of going for all, because see, when you see options, you will be easily identifying this is correct, because we already got here in the answer. And there are other methods also. Suppose 1 by 2 and 1 by 3, we want numbers in between, rational numbers in between. We can do by mean method. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 2. Suppose 1 by 2 is A and 1 by 3 is B. A plus B by 2. We can do it. We can find LCM here. 3 plus 2 will be getting by 2. So 5 by 6 by 2. 5 by 6 into 2. 5 by 12. I will be getting one answer. And here you should understand that 5 by 12 is in between 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. Why did I write greater symbol? Means generally 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 3, you know. Here numbers between these two is asked, but he did not tell 1 by 2 is less. 1 by 2 will be definitely greater than 1 by 3. Suppose when a cake piece is given, if we make two parts, will it be this each part will be greater, or if that cake is divided into 3 parts, this third part, will it be equal each part? No, 2 parts, this part will be bigger than this. So 1 by 2 will be greater than 1 by 3. You should understand that concept. When numerators are same, we have to see the denominator. In the denominators, which is less, that is greater, and which is greater, that is less. So 1 by 2 will be definitely greater than 1 by 3. 1 by 2 greater than 5 by 12 greater than 1 by 3. You can even convert into decimals and see. 1 by 2 will be 0.5. 5 by 12 will be 0.4, because I will be doing and showing you. And 1 by 3 will be some 0.3 bar. So I can consider as 0.3. See, you can do 1 divided by 2. Zeros are 0. Put the point, put a 0. 2 5 is 10. And 5 by 12 you can do it. Zeros are 0. Put the point, put a 0. 12 4s are 48. So 0.4 change I got. Then again 1 by 3 when we do, zeros are 0. Put a point, put a 0. 3 3s are 9. So it repeats 3 bar. So I wrote approx values. So definitely 1 by 2 will be greater than 5 by 12 greater than 1 by 3. Now we will find out one more by mean method. Now we will find one more number in between these two, 1 by 2 and 5 by 12. Okay, 1 by 2 and 5 by 12 by 2, because a plus b by 2 I told you, mean method. Now we will take LCM. 12, 2 6 are, so 1 6 are 6 plus 5 by 2 is already there. 11 by 12 by 2. So 11 by 12 into 2, 11 by 24. This is another number. Now some children don't know this concept. You listen. A divided by B divided by C can be written as A divided by B divided by C. So A by B into 1 by C. That is A by BC, as I have done here. Here I have taught in that way. 11 by 12 divided by 2. So it becomes 12 into 2. How this 12 into 2 we have got it, and most of them will have doubt. So that's why I told. And one more. See, A divided by B divided by C by D can be written as A by B divided by C by D. So A by B into D by C, AD by BC we will be getting. So A into D, B into C. This D goes up. Suppose if we have A divided by B by C, then A divided by B by C. So it becomes A into C by B, AC by B. That time C goes up. Here we have to first see what is given. Whether it is given A divided by B by C, or A by B divided by C, or A by B divided by C by D. We have to see first of all what is given. P, Q are co-primes, and Q is equal to 2 power n into 5 power m, where m greater than n. Here m is greater than n. Then the decimal expansion of P by Q terminates after how many places? We have done such sum 1, but that time 2 power n is not given, only 5 power is given. So I consider that. Here in these two, which is greater, that I have to consider. So its answer is m. Answer is m. In these two, which is greater, that we have to consider. It will terminate by those many places, after those many places. Now the decimal expansion of 9 by 17 is terminating, non-terminating and non-repeating, non-terminating and repeating, none. Which of them is correct? Means we have to observe 17. 17 is prime. Moreover, this is in simplest form. We have to consider the denominator. Denominator, if it is in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m, it is terminating. But 17 cannot be written in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. So it is non-terminating, repeating. I should not say that it is non-terminating, non-repeating, because it is rational number. Children should know that rational is of two types. One is terminating. Other is non-terminating, repeating, because it can be written in the form of P by Q. Rational number can be written in the form of P by Q. Either it will be repeating or it will be terminating. If it is non-terminating, non-repeating, then it comes under irrational. So this will be definitely non-terminating and repeating. You can do division and see whether it is repeating or not. Many children will confuse in between non-terminating repeating and non-terminating non-repeating. I will give one example. Suppose 1.3 bar. Here 3 is repeating. So it comes under non-terminating, repeating decimal. So it comes under rational number. But whereas 1.414 so on, this is root 2 value. When you do root 2 value by division method in 9th class, you remember you will be getting 1.414 so on. It will neither repeat nor terminate. Here the division process is not ending. No number is repeating. So it comes under irrational number. Root 2 is irrational. So non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. You should remember this. This is completed. The decimal expansion of 27 by 14 is. So you can do division. Nicely you can do division and answer. You post me in comment box by doing division. Now see this 5.6789 bar is a which number? It is a rational number because 1 is repeating. Non-terminating repeating comes under rational itself. So rational is answer. 0.121112112 is given here. See, that means it is not repeating and non-terminating it is. That's why it is irrational number.